Here's how to set up and connect AirPods to your iPhone. Now here you can see I have my AirPods Pro. You can do the same on AirPods as well. The first thing we need to do before connecting to your iPhone is to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. After you've done that, tap on Bluetooth right under Wi-Fi and make sure this is turned on. Of course, your AirPods connect to your iPhone through Bluetooth. Now, after you've done that, the next thing we're going to do is flip your AirPods over and find that little white button under the hinge. When you press that white button, what you should see is a green light pop up. If you don't see a green light pop up, this means that your AirPods need to be charged. So just plug them in and charge them until you see the green light. Now, after you've done that, all you need to do is flip the case open and wait for a few seconds. It should pop up with the ability to set it up. Now, if you don't see this pop up on your iPhone, what you're going to do is a factory reset on your AirPods. So leave the case open just like this. And again, on that button on the back, we're going to just press and hold it to a factory reset. So press and hold. And you'll be able to see when I press and hold it, it'll blink white, but eventually it will switch over to blinking amber. So just keep holding it until it switches to amber. And after it switches over to amber, it'll be factory reset. So you can see, keep holding it. And then when it switches back to white, let it go. And then just close the case and open it up again. Now, after you've done that, you should see, again, it pops up with the ability to just set it up. So we're going to just tap on Connect at the bottom. You can see it'll start to set up Siri, or I can hit Not Now. And then let's just choose Setup Later. And now, just like that, my AirPods Pro are set up. I can hit Done. If you wanted to change the settings for these, just tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Find them within Bluetooth here, again, Trevor's AirPods Pro, and tap the little I to the right of it. From here, you can change the name of it. You can choose listening mode, transparency, or noise cancellation. You can choose to answer calls on your AirPod, automatic ear detection, whether it connects to this phone automatically, spatial audio, battery life information, ear tip test, Find My, all of that is right in the settings to be able to manage your AirPods. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.